What's up, people? I was gone, I'm back again, but never did that one drawing, but it's fine. Anyways, I have these two 3D printed Slinky Dragon thingies named Gilbert and Sven, and I decided that it was time I drew them together because they're brothers, and of course they're too beautiful not to be drawn. Anyways, this drawing took me like 17 hours to do, and I am so glad to be done with this. I have a ton of other ideas I need to work on, but now this is done, I should hopefully be able to get those things done too. Anyway, alright, I'll stop wasting your time and you can enjoy the video.
Life is a waterfall, with one in the river and one again after the fall. Swimming through the void, we hear the words, we lose ourselves, but we find it all. Deep in the shadows, up through the pavement, there is a black rose, story so ancient. Run from your demons, no time for sorrow. Bury your secrets, pray for tomorrow. In the darkest night, I will fight on. I will fight on. Pray for tomorrow. In the darkest night, I will fight on. I will fight on. Pray for tomorrow. Up on the surface, far from the deep end, no room for madness when enemies sleeping. Never stop, never give it up. Better run, run, run. Know you're brave enough. Better hold onto hope. In the darkest night, I will fight on. I will fight on. Pray for tomorrow. In the darkest night, I will fight on. I will fight on. Pray for tomorrow. In the darkest night, I will fight on. I will fight on. Pray for tomorrow. In the darkest night, I will fight on. I will fight on. Pray for tomorrow.
Painting all the pieces with an attitude. Emotion I'm a 작품 when I break into. 모두가 다 대감초만 가. Wasting in a city living like a two. 희미하게 바래버린 내 본색을 find again. 틀에 박힌 생각들은 전부 집어 던져. Gonna make my way. 감각적인 색깔들을 여기저기 throw it. I'm the one and only. 않는 것들을 담아내지 I'm a cool 모든 것들은 the meaning on the race 아무도 이해할 순 없을 건 my special days 어디서도 만들어냈던 장난들도 치고 선 run away
Black magic in your fingertips, sweet surrender on my lips, burning on my skin, addiction that I just can't quit. Close to heaven, but we slipped. I'm floating through hell and back for a love that could burn like that. Lights out, we fade to black. Don't wake me up. Oh, please don't go. Leave me dancing with your ghost. Staying home, my dreams. Can you take me there? Be my beautiful nightmare. Oh, please don't go. Pull me under, pull me close. Staying home, my dreams. Can you take me there? Be my beautiful nightmare. Feel you breathing down my neck. Always see your silhouette. Got me scratching at the walls. Come and love me half to death. Drive my body off the edge like the way you